everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topic of the day. Today's topic is evaluation of progress of AIF. AIF stands for Agriculture Infrastructure Fund. The government has undertaken a mid-term evaluation of Agriculture Infrastructure Fund, which is also called as AIF scheme. Agroeconomic Research Center AERC Pune evaluated this scheme progress and performance, gather beneficiary feedback and suggest improvements in December 2023. The evaluation highlighted some of the positive impacts of the scheme in terms of increase in farmers' income, increase in agriculture, storage capacity, growth of the post-harvest, and value addition infrastructure for agriculture produce, generation of employment, and encouraging agricultural entrepreneurship. The detail of the outcomes of the study are as below. 31% of the AIF units availed government subsidies also. Thus, they have been benefited due to the convergence under the AIF. Around 85% of the total units availability of AIF loan was the main reason for starting the unit. On an average, about 40% of the project cost of the AIF units was covered by the AIF loan. Around 70% of the units have taken loan for creating new infrastructure. The employment generated by AIF unit activities was relatively higher in peak seasons than in slack season. The average number of persons employed per unit in the peak season was found to be 11. The average was highest, that is 27 in Rajasthan, and lowest, that is 5 in the state of Maharashtra. Number of persons employed per unit was higher in case of agro processing unit. The total capacity created by sample AIF warehouse, cold storage units and also the silos is around 879,000 MT. Also, these units have occupied total area of around 2,900,000 square feet. Overall response reveals satisfactory demand for products or services of AIF units and satisfactory income from these units. Most of the units are situated in the rural areas, indicating proximity to the agriculture production regions, and around 54% of the respondents believe that incomes of farmers have increased because of the AIF units, and majority of them reported that the increase in incomes was very high and satisfactory. Around 54% of the respondents felt that overall the farmers have benefited due to the AIF facilities. As of the 30th June 2025, 66,310 crore rupees have been sanctioned for 1,13,419 projects. Under AIF, these sanctioned projects have been mobilized an investment of rupees 1,07,502 crores in the agriculture sector. Major projects sanctioned under the AIF include 30,202 custom hiring centers, 22,827 processing units, 15,982 warehouses, 3,703 sorting and grading units, 2,454 cold storage projects, around 38,251 other kinds of post-harvest management projects, and viable community farm assets. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.